Hi guys, my name is Bronson and welcome back to Bam the Shark. Today we're going to be doing 5 metal detecting tips and tricks for beginners. Number 1. Sweep the ground with your metal detector so that you cover as much area as possible. Sweeping the ground and walking really fast will make you less likely to find anything. Number 2. After you've dug up a chunk of dirt, use your hands to dig around in it. You never know what could be there. A ring, a chunk of gold, anything. Number 3. If you've dug a hole and you aren't finding anything, metal detect over it again. You may find that your target's in the dirt, a little deeper than you thought, or maybe you dug your hole too far to the side. Number 4. Metal detect in creeks. When it rains, lots of stuff gets washed into creeks, making it a very good spot to metal detect. Number 5. Check your surroundings. Make sure nothing your metal detector can detect is close to you, or else it'll be hard for you to tell if you're detecting the metal object close to you, or if you found something in the ground. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!